I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me.
Today to try this Nashi treatment. Himanshu Argan, my go-to solution for all my hair and skin and protection about my hair. In my locality, I feel this is the best salon who offers great services. The staff is very much well trained, very much professional, and the best part is they always keep guiding me while providing the services. So, and I always go out happy. So that's why thank you, Himanshu Argan. Thank you, Himanshu Argan, Salon, for that. It was really good to be here at Himanshu Argan today. I got to know about Nashi's products, which are chemical free. Lately, I've been very conscious about my hair and using chemical products in them. But I'm really happy that I found this Nashi brand, which is chemical free, and I actually felt really nice when I got my hair cut. One of the products with you, and it absolutely immediately detangled my hair. So Himanshu Argan is my regular salon where I come. Thank you, Himanshu Argan Salon. Thank you, Himanshu Argan Salon. This Nashi treatment is extremely awesome. I had a really great experience with Nashi Argan today, and for my experience with Himanshu Argan.
Himanshu Argan, as always, is my favorite salon. I always come here only for any service, and it's a very nice, nicely maintained, and all the staff is very good in their work. They are very cooperative and very polite also. So I think everybody has to visit Himanshu Argan. Thank you, Himanshu Argan, for this good service.